Almost every time I hear this from an atheist, they'll be like, Christianity is the problem of the world. Look at all the calamity and wars that Christianity have caused. I've heard it so often, so I finally decided to look into it across different accounts, books, and historical records. I really wanted to be sure that there was a trace of truth in the statement. Let's look at one book, The Encyclopedia of Wars by Phillips and Axelrod. The book records 1,763 major wars in human history. Guess how many were classified as religious wars in nature? Just 123. That's roughly 6.98%, meaning over 93% of all the major wars in history were completely secular. And it even gets deeper. When you subtract the wars waged in the name of Islam, the percentage for all other religions combined, including Christianity, drops to a mere 3.23%. But let's leave that book and look at the raw numbers, the actual body count. In over 2,000 years since Christianity began, the combined historical death toll for Christian motivated conflicts is estimated between 10 and 40 million. But let's look at the atheists, the self-proclaimed more rational bunch. In just one century, the 20th century state atheist regimes caused an estimated 80 to 150 million deaths. Atheistic regimes achieved triple the body count in a fraction of time. Now, my point isn't that atheism inherently causes genocide. My point is that history proves human beings do not need religion to commit atrocities. When people abandon religion, they don't abandon war. They simply replace religious dogma with secular political ideologies. And 20th century proved those secular ideologies can be far deadlier. So if you are going to say that Christianity is the problem of the world while ignoring the massive atrocities of secular regimes and other religions, at least make sure your team is spotless.